1 in 20 helps you build your email list and make sales. Introducing 1 in 20 methods I use for affiliate marketing.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Get ready to build your email list fast. 1 in 20 is suitable for affiliate marketeers, newbies, beginners and above. Start your own business. Use CPA marketing. Say goodbye to 9 to 5. Work when you want. Stay at home, mums and dad. Students that need more cash. 1 in 20 is easy to do and affordable for everyone. In fact, anyone can use this. I am so convinced this will work for you. I'm even giving you my funnel. 1 in 20 comes with massive mailer methods, my product, which will help you blast out to your email. Bonus 2 is alternative traffic methods, giving you different social media. Bonus 3 is elite listings, which teaches you how to create your own mailer or rent your very own mailer. Bonus 4 is affiliate toolbox, which every affiliate should have. Bonus 5 is my very own money funnel. Make sure you grab your copy of 1 in 20 product today.